Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Navy Army Community Credit Union, full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all recent bank statements, bills, and receipts. Make a list of your monthly income sources.
Include salaries, side gigs, and any other income.
Next, identify your fixed expenses.
Record monthly bills such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance.
List your variable expenses as well.
This can include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have your income and expenses down, calculate the total monthly income. Subtract your total monthly expenses from this number. This will show you how much you have left over.
Now, set financial goals for yourself. Decide on short-term and long-term goals, such as saving for a vacation or retirement.
Open a budgeting account with the Navy Army Community Credit Union. This can help you keep track of your finances in one place.
Consider using their mobile app for convenient access.
Create a budget plan based on your income, expenses, and goals.
Categorize your spending into needs and wants.
Allocate a portion of your income for savings and debt repayment. Review and adjust your budget monthly.
Track your spending to ensure you stay within your limits.
Make use of financial planning resources offered by Navy Army Community Credit Union. Participate in workshops or webinars to enhance your budgeting skills.
Stay consistent with your budgeting efforts to achieve your financial goals. Revisit your goals quarterly to ensure they remain relevant.
Be flexible and ready to adjust your budget as circumstances change. Remember, budgeting is a tool for financial empowerment. Commit to regularly reviewing your progress and making necessary adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.